Hi, I'm Eric with MarineMax in Westbrook, Connecticut, and we are on our brand new 2024 Aviara AV32. So this is one of the newer day boats that has arrived to the market. Really cool layout, a lot of really neat features that you won't see anywhere else, and we're really happy to have this as one of our lines and brands that we represent. So as you can see here from the aft deck, the rear facing seating is a stadium style seating. So I'm up on the piston oriented seating right now, and these all drop down individually, as well as these backrests on these seats can fold back into position to turn into a sun pad. Underneath all of these is storage, and your battery switches are here on the port side. Above me, you'll see that there's an actuated sunshade electric, so that pops out to cover up the rear. And when we go to the bow and turn around, you'll see that this boat is powered by twin Mercury V10 350s. This boat is all white with a light gray accent on the hull sides, which you can see in the pictures. The interior seating, this cool feel vinyl, is the light gray. It will not get hot. Aviara did a great job with this cool feel vinyl that they have, and also the gray sea deck interior. On the starboard side, you'll see that we've got a sink, wine chiller, shallow storage, large storage underneath, and this is the carbon accent top. So you can do teak or carbon, and this is the carbon gray accent, which looks great with the layout and the colors that we've done on this boat. The option here for the cooler is the Cordova cooler, made for Aviara, and we have that on the starboard side as well as the port side under the seat. We've got a rear-facing lounge seat on the port side, and a really neat thing that they did was they kind of made this into a coaming bolster, so you can actually stand here or use it as a leaning post when you're underway. A really comfortable spot to sit up on top of instead of having a full co-pilot seat here. The helm of the Aviara is all digital, so you can control all of your lighting, all of your systems. You've got your Mercury vessel view here, your standard MFD for GPS, chart plotting, sonar, and then all of your controls for stereo, lighting, and other systems on the boat. Beautiful Italian wrapped leather on the steering wheel, joystick controlled, and we've got two cup holders underneath here that are actually refrigerated cup holders, which is a really nice touch that Aviara did. And you'll see we've got step down head, tons of head clearance underneath, pump out head, sink, and ample storage underneath. The audio system on this, I just want to point out, you can see the subwoofers up there. This is a Klipsch audio system. This boat really has an amazing sound system. It's hard to compare any other boat with the sound system quality on this. Great job by Aviara choosing to go with Klipsch on this one. As we move up to the bow, take note of the interior freeboard on this. I'm 6'1", and this is just about at my hip, almost a little bit above. So when you come up to the bow, you feel really protected. Whether you want to get out of the wind or there's shorter people, kids, you're really going to feel protected when you're sitting down in these seats. It's almost at my shoulder height. It's just a great place to feel comfortable and protected, whether you're underway or just lounging around. They do have an option for a bow filler cushion up here, so this whole area turns into a sun pad. And we've got our anchor access. It's an anchor windlass. We've got USB outlets up front, cup holders, more storage underneath on the floor, and we can control our stereo from the pad up here. And if you want to just take a look back again at the stadium seating and those beautiful Mercury white painted V10s, this boat is an awesome day boating package. It really does it all. It handles well. It sounds great. I couldn't pick a better boat to spend a day out on the water on.